Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and in today's hopefully short pop-up video I thought I would show you how you can, with very few decor items, make a room look beautiful and decorated for fall. We are on a short getaway at our cabin in the Norwegian mountains. And this is an old mountain farm, and we want to keep it as traditional as we can. So that means that for me, that's really enjoys decorating, I have to kind of hold myself back and be very careful with what I put up, or else I'm going to make the cabin look very different. So what I use today you can actually find in nature. I have not real leaves and pumpkins, but you could do that. So I'm going to use, I have these, I don't know if you call them picks or branches, but I have 11 of these. They are eucalyptus, I think, in fall colors. So 11 of those, and I think I counted 2, 4, 6, 8 of these yellow leaves or branches. I have 2 of these woolen pumpkins and 1 ceramic, and I have 2 very simple and small garlands. So that's all the fall decor I have here, and that's what I'm going to use to give this place a little boost of fall, or a little look of fall. As I said, I use very little decor, so this is my summer decor. A very minimalistic summer bouquet. I think they're supposed to be cosmos or something, in a pretty vase. And on the living room table or coffee table, I usually have some wildflowers in some small vases. And in the kitchen I have this small vignette, and on the doors I have the same kind of leaves, but they're these summer leaves like that. So I'll just change things out and I'll show you how very few items can make it look very decorated and beautiful. I think that took me about 20 minutes, and I think it turned out beautiful. It really gives the cabin a feel of fall. So as I said, just a bouquet of fall leaves with one pumpkin, and our beautiful guy up here is now standing in a bed of fall leaves. Trying to go slow. And the same with this beautiful guy. I had 3 picks left, so I just put them in an old coffee kettle on top of the cabinet, like that. And on the coffee table I just used the set of the 3 small vases you have seen before. Cut up 2 picks of leaves and a pumpkin, and of course our beautiful apples from the garden at home. And in the kitchen, a little fall vignette as well, with a small pumpkin and the leaves. And you saw how the outside turned out with the wreaths on the doors. So simple, but just enough to give it, not to look too decorated for the cabin, and just enough to give it a splash of fall. So that was my small pop-up video, just to show you that decorating your house for fall does not have to cost a lot of money, and you don't have to have a lot of decor. Be on the outlook for, is that how you say it? Be on the lookout for when things are on sale. I bought my picks on sale, so it's very expensive in Norway, but I know that in the US and the UK you can get great deals. Or go out, if you're lucky enough to live a place where you can just go out and pick. It's not, the leaves have not turned yet in Norway, so I couldn't use a real fall leaves just yet, but I'm a YouTuber, so I have to decorate early, but I'm sure that many of you can just find what I used out in nature. So I hope you got inspired and that you will decorate your house for fall. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.